Why my call line still blowing up? Why my show line still going nuts? Why the whole crowd still showing love? Why my call line still blowing up? Why my show line still going nuts? Why the whole crowd still showing love? Yeah.
Look, I got the flame, I got the heat, I got the good. I got the tree, I got the treats, I got the wood. Look, I got the fam, I got my friends, I got my hood, yeah. Right beside me till the wheels fall off. I got my life back, working harder to fight back, pushing demons out of my scenery. I heard they fight back, bet they don't like that. I'm independent, on my own, still driven. On my own, I'm trending, caught up in no feelings, too much to deal with. I got my seat reclined back, sipping, vibing, chilling. I got the key to success, it's sitting right in my hand. But understand, that's a lot of pressure. That's a lot of pressure. That's a lot of pressure.
Why my call line still blowing up?
They told me I couldn't do it, so I went and did it. Hold look at me now. I done flex, I done got respect, cause I kept it pushing, I ain't for neglect. Mama told me get it, so I had to get it. Or I made a prayer, yeah, I hold it down. Had to be the man with a solid plan. I could care less about the glitz and glam. I done crossed the line every single time that I write a rhyme. I could be in a bind with the massive mouse, never down for counts. I ain't holding out, I know the time is now. Gotta feed the fuel, gotta feed the crew from the tree.